We are Yardie, Yardie. Big up the legend Bob Marley. Since the beginning of modern civilization, generations of weakness and inherited only conflicts of world wars. But behold the marriage supper of the Lamb and bridegroom unto his bride. Then shall the earth's children know the true expression of one love. Then Mother Earth shall honeymoon in peace, forever eliminating aspirations, lust, and anguish of wars and rumors of wars.
Seek now the innocent growing up in vapors, and propaganda spreading in the Sunday papers. Not even Superman could have saved you in the chaos. Red judgment a place, and Babylon a gamble you them life like racers, and give them a uniform and a shake them every praisers. And now the clock has strike war, don't be amazed us. Them in them churches trying to save us.
Can we do it? We can do it. We shall do it.
Tell them finna draw me out when the world government finna falling out. Only few man survive crawling out. Run left him colleague them sprawling out, nearly dead. They dig up all him out and him to tranquilize up his stall him out. The fan base can't get no calling out when they hear from the shout last week. Him mistress find a new shoe